What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, my people? How no stay out there? I hope each and every one of you is alright and having a nice birthday and having a nice morning, evening, afternoon, any which part of the day. Guys, you know guys, let me say this to each and every one of you. See, family should be close. Family should be very close and important to each other. Yeah? Family should be having nice time, lovely time, beautiful time. Family shouldn't have war. Family shouldn't have anything bad to say about each other. But you know, we are human beings, yeah? And human being eat salt, and once you eat salt, your body go crazy. But you know, guys, I talk about this the other day. This Julia Anderson murder up in Mount Vernon, New York. And I talk about it. And while I talk about it, I was gathering more information about the situation. Why, how, and how. And guys, me up on the YouTube street and me see rapper crapper. Yeah? Me see rapper crapper and me hear rapper crapper get some people calling from the family of Anderson. But guys, when the people them calling from the family of Anderson, me listen to them good. Me listen to them. But when me listen to them, I scratch my head and I say to myself, sound like there's a family feud going on. Every family have a little feud. Big one, small one, you know. But guys, when I sit down, you see, and I analyze the thing, I said, something ain't right. So what I did, go into the Rodney's Real Talk Lifestyle box of tricks. And guys, when me look again, me see rapper crapper make another video. Big up yourself in a rapper crapper. Yeah man, big up yourself. Enough respect, manners and respect general. Me love your show. Me I watch your thing from long time. Yeah man. Love your show, long time. And me see rapper crapper explain. And him explain say, you know, with the people them tell him a go off and the information with them again. Within myself, me I say, you can realize that rapper crapper realize something not right. Cause rapper crapper no fall. So me in my head me I say, rapper crapper onto something. But you know me go to work. Me go to work serious, me not play around. But guys, I do some digging and I do some deep diving. And when me get not good. Not good at all. Julia Anderson, innocent young lady. Yes, man. Hardworking, I try life. Yeah? I try life. Only to know Michael Forster decided to take matters in his own hand and take our 3 points just like he did with Real Lewis' father. My viewers and subscribers, listen to what I'm saying here now. Good. As you see where he analyzed her, the house where Michael Forster and Julia Anderson was living was maybe 2-3 blocks away. Yeah, that's why he was on a scooter. Wasn't too far away. Only to know where he unalive the young lady. You notice me say the young lady. Where he unalive the young lady, it was like around, like you would say, Jamaican around the corner, meaning about maybe a next block. He unalive Ray Lewis' father. So that area is knowable, knowing to him. That's where he do his dirty works at night. Michael Forster been in and out of jail and all kind of trouble because Michael Forster is a little bully and is also on some form of substance. I don't know what kind of substance he's on, but Michael Forster is on some form of substance. But guys, there is a bomber in the situation. It's coming up. When the aunties and the sisters and the mother and the come and talk in all sort of matter of evil, because as far as what them I say was evil to what me I go tell you no. You know, family grew apart where it shouldn't happen. But some live down so, some live so, some live so, and they are not together. They're not friendly because remember, one call first and tell rapper crapper all kind of something. Then the rest call if you say, oh no, I don't say go a lie, she a tell and all sort of something. But what they did not say to rapper crapper was who really is Michael Forster. They didn't say that. They did not say anything of who is the real Michael Forster. To be honest with you, my viewers and subscribers, when I hear the news first, I sit down and I say, something does not right. But I never know what was really not right. When I hear the word, hold on a little bit. Is your birthday today? Happy birthday to you if today is your birthday. And if tomorrow is your birthday, happy belated birthday to you. And if your birthday was yesterday, again, happy belated birthday to you. And if your birthday is tomorrow, happy soon come birthday. My viewers and subscribers, you know me not easy, don't you? Know me not easy. You see me a move around, you know me up to something. Me just a move the camera a little bit. Yeah, me just a move the camera a little bit. More have to move the camera a little bit so me can give you a different look. So guys, when I sit down and I listen to these people and rapper crapper, I said to myself, I believe that some family can be very dangerous. When you're alive, when you're sick, or when you're dead. my viewers and subscribers, what I found out about Michael Forster is that Michael Forster, hold on a little bit, I think we need to sit down for this. I think we need to sit down for this apart because me just want to go on the looks of the flowers. So guys, what I get about Michael Forster. Michael Forster and Julia Anderson was not blood relative. Let me check the time. Michael Forster and Julia Anderson was not blood relative. Wipe off my glass. Julia Anderson's mother and sisters is not brothers and sisters with Michael Anderson. What if you just hear what me say a while ago? You hear what me say a while ago? Them are no brother and sister. Them are no auntie and uncle. Them are no niece and uncle, cousin and uncle. Michael Forster is not even the mother pitney. Hold on a little bit. Hold on. Michael Forster, who unalive Julia Anderson for the house, where them say a female mother house, is not his mother. In other words, is not his biological mother. Michael Forster is a foster kid. Michael Forster is a foster kid of Julia Anderson's grandmother. I wonder if you don't get that good now in the brains. So that's the reason why Michael Forster's name could not be on the will or on the deed of the house. And that's what caused the problem. That is what caused the problem. Michael Forster is a foster kid that Julia Anderson's mother took in from a very young age. Let me see if I can explain a little better. I know she piss him out, or I know she born him. Him born from another woman and another man, and never have nowhere to go. And the mother, which is Julia Anderson's grandmother, take him in. He's a foster child. Not a good foster one either. So because of that now, the mother couldn't and would not give him, because she have a granddaughter. So she gave the granddaughter the place. And it's been a problem. And he decided, because I don't know which part him come from or what kind of family him come out of, but look like the family where him really come out of is just all about unaliving people. But guys, and this, the sister them we call rapper crapper, know all of this, you know. Them know all these things. Them know all these things, but them never tell rapper crapper these things. Yeah, them never tell rapper crapper these things. And that's why you have to be careful of your own family. That's why you have to be careful of your own family. Your own family, you have to be careful of them, because some of them you see out there is not really with you. Them call rapper crapper and them say all mother of evil, all kind of something. But them never tell rapper crapper the real truth. That this man is not their biological brother or their biological or biological uncle. She is not her uncle. She's just a part of, not she, he's just a part of the family because the mother, the grandmother, take him in from him young. And look what he have done to her. Because, you know, the news and everybody say, oh yeah, it's relative, the uncle. No, them are not no family. So in other words, it's not like him unalive a family member. He just unalive a person. Because them are not no family. The secret people who hold in a family, you would never really know the secret that people really hold within a family. The viewers and subscribers, we did have to carry this come to you know. But you know me have more. Yeah man. By day go, I will be coming back with a lot more news about a lot more situations. Until when I see you again, walk good. And guys, listen to me now. If you know something, say something. Don't hold it within yourself and then you yourself are going to lie down on your bed and say, if me didn't know, say me that go do that because you is not in his brain or her brain. You're not in his brain. So whatever you know, say it to authority and let authority do it. Don't make you have to sleep on your bed and have problems sleeping because you should have, would have, could have. Say something before something happens. Say something. And listen to me good. When you know that a person unalive, take a person's life. Let me say this to you. You and that person should not be living in no house together. Because you don't know if that person go take fear. Remember that. Just remember that. Never trust nobody who take nobody life. What me say? Never trust nobody will take anybody life. Because the same way them take for them, are the same way then we take for you. Just like how this Michael Forster take Ray Lewis' father from him, are the same way in go and take this young lady life. And he's not even what everybody say, oh, his uncle. No, they are not biological family. There's no blood in their body that says A and A. My viewers and subscribers, you don't know, I'm out. Bye bye, chat about. I wanna say.